Hi there, class, and welcome to week 3. I was notified this week that there was no sound on the orientation video, and so I don't know if only one student accessed it and didn't hear sound, but when I went back to check it, there was no sound. And maybe there was sound and it went away. I don't know. Sometimes computers seem to do magical things behind my back. But I'm going to kind of go over a little bit of the class again. As you know, this is your clinical experience and it is a pass-fail. And this is your clinical experience in community health. And you all have been with a preceptor who does community health. You have to do 40 hours. And as I think I've explained before, I don't care if you do 10 4-hour days. I don't care if you do 3 12-hour days and 1 4-hour days. I don't care if you do 10 4-hour days or 5 8-hour days, as long as it equals 40 hours. Part of your practicum is journaling about your experience, and there is a form there. Each journal is worth 5 points each. And I was just looking at the course, and I think I may have that wrong on the rubric, and if so, I apologize. But 5 journals, 5 points each, you come up with 25%. All right? So you will be preparing a health promotion presentation. Now, if this had been before COVID times, you would be getting like 5 to 10 people together and maybe doing a presentation on diabetic foot care, or a health promotion. Maybe you would be in school nursing, you would be doing a smoking cessation for high school students, or a prevent obesity, or a get up and move and stay fit for middle schoolers. So these are just some ideas pre-COVID what we would do. Well, now that we're in COVID, we're going to have to be a little bit more creative, because I know you're not going to get 5 or 6 or 10 people together to do this. So work with your preceptor, contact me individually. Some of you have already come up with some good ideas, and we will work on this together. But we're at week 3. Your presentation needs to be done by the end of week 6. I believe it might be week 5. I think it is week 6. It's the week before Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving is week 7 and the first week of December is week 8. So if you haven't moved on this, you've got 3 more weeks to get this. And the expectation for this presentation is that you will have handouts for your crowd, that you will have somebody video yourself, give it, and that video you will turn into me, and you'll send me the handouts and stuff to grade. You will also do a very short share it presentation that will go into the discussion board for week 8 for your fellow students. You've already completed the practicum planning assignment from week 2. And then there is an evaluation that your preceptor needs to provide for you. And then you also have to evaluate the practicum site. That is where we are. And that is what you missed in orientation. Thank you.